Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have one of my favorite Valentine's Day looks with skulls and roses, and there were some technical difficulties, but in a nail tutorial, what else would you expect, especially from me? So I am taking, I believe, Morning Grind all over the pinky, and then you will see me take this on the pointer, but actually I end up switching that out for Relay Gray, which I also put on the ring finger. So I am just laying down solid colors, so I will go ahead and let you guys just watch this. All right, so I'm doing a glitter fade with a solid color here, but I kind of wanted the tip to be see-through. So I take that Morning Glory, I think that's what it is. It's like a super, super dark gray. It's not black, it's like really dark gray. And then I put it back towards the cuticle, and then I will fade it down, but then I will also take some away. So it's just like almost like a very fine, like clear tip, and then I cure that, and then I come back with that darker glitter. All right, so now I'm going to take the black, and this is just the buttercream from Light Elegance, and it is the black one, and I'm going to go ahead and put it all over the nail. I have not built up anything, so this is that same layer that the glitter is actually on, and it's not raised up. So then I take some alcohol and dip into it and spread it out and make it, it's not a marble nail, although it kind of is. I don't know, I get there eventually, but this nail I didn't quite know what I wanted to do, and I think it's kind of apparent, but I definitely get there in the end.
Find me in the corner of the room, not ready to resume.
right, so now these are the skulls I'm using. How stinking cool are these? I'm obsessed. So these are water decals, so go ahead and put them in the water and get them off the main, like, black, the back of the paper, and then just go ahead and put it on. And then I'm gonna do that for this one, and then the middle finger. And as you can see, it is filed. I forgot to say that I did go ahead and file and, do build up like the apex. And you can see the pinky was missing with the striping tape down the middle. The nails I'm wearing now also use striping tape, so if you want to see how I apply that, you can look at this tutorial. So yeah, forgot to say that. So I've already went ahead and did like one step down the entire nail, built it up, filed, buff, and all that good stuff. So now I am taking alcohol and removing like corners of the decal. All right, now we are going to add that glitter that is on that pointer finger, and that's gonna go all around this decal. This is probably my favorite finger, although I do like how the pointer ended up coming out, but this one was absolutely my favorite. But you'll see me, I go ahead and kind of put that gel all around both of these guys, and then I work on that pointer. All right, I'm taking Clear Jelly Stamper, the Valentines -03, and I'm getting the roses again. If you saw the tutorial, if you saw literally that thumb right there, you will see I'm using the same colors, except for I'm using silver instead of white this time. So I thought it would be kind of cool to do a silver base versus a white. And that way I can, what's the word I'm looking for here? Match the rest of the nails. And then I went ahead and just finished off those flowers up at the cuticle area. So this one felt like it was missing something. I couldn't figure out what was missing, so I went ahead and added another decal. I struggle a little bit getting where I want to, but I think in the end it definitely comes.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because
So I am adding more black to kind of create that smoky effect. It's almost like the smoky effect in those like wintry nails that I did, but instead of just having it on the bottom, like those ones were just on top, where I have like some of the smokiness under the nails as well. So I really liked how this one came out, but I thought it definitely needed something more than just the plain looking marble. I mean, it didn't, but I probably could have got away with it. But you know, you just look at it too much and you're like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do that. Yeah, so that's what ended up happening here, and I'm so glad I did because I loved it. So we are going to top coat, and I will show you the finished product. And I know this one was a little bit of a hot mess, but I think we got there in the end. I left a lot of real time in for you guys because I know you love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
we are in pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell